Welcome to 2022 question A-4. This is a developments question. So the image on the right shows a modern chair design. Okay. It includes a curved plywood back, so that's a curved plywood back, based on a cylinder which is truncated and shaped as shown. So it's cylinder based is the main thing we want to take from it. The drawing shows a plan, incomplete elevation and end view of the plywood back of a similar chair. So here's our plan view. Well, that's cylinder shape, so it's a semi-cylinder. Okay, elevation looking in and looking from the side. We have our end elevation. Partially completed surface development of the back has been projected to the end view. So they've even made a start on that for us. Complete the elevation. Okay, now part of this is great because they've already indicated to us the position of these generators and that we need generators. So let's use them to complete our elevation. So we can see there we have points that correspond. Right? So we're going to use the next set of generators that are there, and they have those corresponding heights there for us. So project across that height. And these generators are at that height, so project them up. Project them up. So those are 2 points. Now they've also indicated to us this point here. Okay, so we're going to use that point, but it hasn't been located down here for us. So project that down at 45 degrees. Project it across. We'll call that point and that point A and B. So here's AB, project it across, we can label that AB if we want, and project up. So that's B and A. Alright, so now we have enough points really to complete that curve. So continue the freehand curve down. And it's kind of steeper there. Continue that curve down. Up there. Okay, so that is the elevation complete. Now complete the surface development. So they have given us some of these generators already, and they've given us where it's going to finish. So that is kind of going to give you clues in the exam. So we have heights already established here for those other generators. So let's project those across. And for AB, project those across also. So those 2 generators, which have been indicated to us here, let's project up one. That's one height. Okay, and we need to find the other height, which will be across here. So let's locate that generator, or those generators. So the distance between all the generators is the same. So let's mark them off. 1, 2. Project them up to show. And sorry, I forgot this one here. So this is our center one. So here corresponding. So that's another point. My height then across. Another point. Okay, and we know that they finish. The height finishes here, so we can project that across because that would be a straight line down then for the ends, which have been given to us. Right. So we can draw a freehand curve for that. The tricky bit in this is we need to now locate A and B. Okay, so as we know, the distance between these generators is found in the plan. Right, the distance between all those generators is the same. So we need to find A and B. So I'm going to go the distance from the end here to B will be the same as the distance from the end back. Okay, and should be the same from end here to A. There's to A, and we'll draw a line vertically up in line with A. Line. So that is my A, that is my B. We can draw the freehand curve. Okay, so that is the surface development of that kind of plywood curved chair completed.